Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled onions at home step by step. Start by thinly slicing onions and measuring 1 cup vinegar to 1 cup water ratios. Add sugar, salt, and spices. Heat the brine until sugar dissolves, then pour over packed jars of onions. Let cool, refrigerate for at least 2 hours, and taste. They improve overnight. I'll guide you through flavor tweaks and safe storage tips. For the best texture, slice your onions thin and even, then pack them gently into clean jars, leaving a 1/2 inch headspace. If slices are crowded, they pickle unevenly, so loosen layers as needed. A mandolin helps, but a sharp knife works fine with steady hands. Keep lids and jars sterilized, and always pour hot brine straight onto packed onions to remove air pockets and seal in flavor. Quick recommendation: if you prep jars or share meals, I love using leak-proof containers to keep pickled onions tidy and prevent fridge spills. They seal well, stack easily, and make transporting snacks simple. Plus, they save counter mess during meal prep. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. A reliable brine starts with equal parts vinegar and water, plus sugar and salt to taste, and simmering until the sugar dissolves. Toss in aromatics like peppercorns, bay leaf, or a slice of jalapeno for a kick, and let the mixture warm through to marry flavors. Pour the hot brine over packed onions so it seeps between layers. I'll suggest tweaks for sweeter, tangier, or smokier profiles as we go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.